In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the number of cards in a Trello list quickly and easily. If you manage projects, content calendars, client work, or team tasks in Trello, knowing how many cards are in each list can help you track workload, monitor progress, and stay organized. The best part is that this method is built directly into Trello, so you don't need any power-ups or third-party tools. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where you want to see the number of cards in each list. Once your board is fully loaded and you can see all your lists and cards, we're going to use a very fast keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press the letter F. As soon as you press F, Trello will open the filter menu. You'll see a search bar or a keyword field appear at the top of your board. This filter feature is normally used to find specific cards, but we're going to use it in a smart way to reveal the total number of cards in every list. Inside the keyword field, type an asterisk symbol, which is the star character. On most keyboards, you can type this by holding Shift and pressing the number 8. So again, press F to open the filter, then type the asterisk symbol into the search field. As soon as you type the asterisk, Trello will automatically display a card count at the top of each list on your board. You'll now see a number appear above every list title, showing exactly how many cards are inside that list. This works because the asterisk acts as a wildcard search, meaning it matches all cards. Since all cards are being matched, Trello shows the total count per list. This is incredibly useful if you want to quickly see how many tasks are in your to-do list, how many items are in progress, or how many tasks have been completed. It gives you an instant overview of workload distribution across your board without manually counting anything. When you're done checking the numbers, you can simply clear the filter. To do that, delete the asterisk from the search field or press the X in the filter bar. You can also press F again and clear the search. Once the filter is cleared, the card counts will disappear and your board will return to its normal view. One important thing to remember is that this method works per board. So if you switch to a different Trello board, you'll need to repeat the same steps. Press F and type the asterisk to reveal the card counts for that specific board. This trick is especially helpful for project managers, team leads, and content creators who want a quick snapshot of productivity. Instead of installing extensions or enabling power-ups, you can access this feature instantly with just 2 quick actions on your keyboard. So to quickly recap, open your Trello board, press F on your keyboard to open the filter menu, type the asterisk symbol in the keyword field, and you'll immediately see the total number of cards displayed at the top of every list. Then clear the filter when you're finished. And that's how to see the number of cards in a Trello list in seconds. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.